Good day, folks. Today, I'd like to consider the accounting activity that conglomerates do, and that is the consolidation. Hi, I'm Laura Vandenherk, and I work with individuals and businesses from startups to 100 million. In developed countries, there are saturated markets and pressures to operate sustainably. For this consideration, there are 5 businesses that have been started or purchased by one owner. They all reside in Ontario, Canada, operating separately. There is one business as the parent, 4 are the subsidiaries. They are using different accounting programs that are incompatible, and their year ends have been synced up. Sorry for my rooster. For consolidating for the month ends, basically it is just exporting from the accounting software the 3 statements into a spreadsheet program, and the parent company is consolidating everything together, and that means that there are 3 tabs, one each with each statement, with 6 columns, one for each business and one for the summation, because the consolidation is just the summation or adding them together. The balance sheet and income statement are made from the chart of accounts, and the cash flow statement is made from the balance sheet. This particular exercise for this conglomerate takes 1, 2, maybe 3 days, depending on the controller and how long it takes them to copy and paste each cell, because the businesses are not aligned in their chart of accounts. They are using different chart of accounts, and they have different names, maybe different numbering, and it takes a bit to get the statements to a consolidated form. Now, a business owner might say, let's save some time on the consolidations by purchasing the same accounting software. I would like to caution and say, hold on a minute. Do the accounting programs that the businesses currently use, are they timely? Are they accurate? Are they paid for? Are they inexpensive? Are they easy to use by the accounting team? Check out with that. And are they easy to train new people? And are they causing any problems? If all of these questions are positive, answers to these questions are positive, then I would say don't change your accounting software. Instead, I would say align the chart of accounts. So have the 5 business using the same chart of accounts. It takes some work for the controllers or CFOs to align those chart of accounts. But what it does, instead of pasting each cell separately on month end to consolidate, you are taking the whole column for the report and putting that in the spreadsheet, and it's now a matter of hours to do the consolidation instead of days. And in the interim, when you do change a chart of accounts, give all your businesses a master sheet of what they used to be working with and what they now are working with, because it takes some months and some people even longer to get used to the change, although accounting programs are fairly automated for using the account numbers. You do want to have that. When consolidating, in this example, they were like the similar companies, similar size. If you had bakeries under your conglomerate and manufacturings under your conglomerate, I would consolidate the like items and look at them as a total there. And one last thing I want to leave you with, especially in this example, is look at the individual companies. Even though these companies are the same size and they're the same nature in operation, they may be different in how they operate. They're operating in Ontario, they have their own markets, they have their own space, and one of them could be losing money, while one of them could be making all the money for all the other businesses, and everybody's just riding their coattails. So individuality, look at the statements separately. What you put into your analysis, you will definitely get out. I promise you that. When you are ready to sign up for free time spots with me Visit my website at www.nakedacresfarmstead.ca. Visit the booking tab, choose Zoom or phone call, and remember, time spots with me are for free for 6 months of the year for years to come. Remember to like and share this video. Cheers, folks.